Let's move on to the next option, which is Squarespace. Compared to GoDaddy, Squarespace offers a lot more flexibility when it comes to customizing your website. With close to 150 website templates in various industries like photography, local businesses, restaurants, and a lot more, you are likely to find one that fits your needs. And all of them are completely free to use and have a modern and clean design. Squarespace recently introduced their so-called Fluid Engine, which allows you to build your website using drag and drop, making it easy to achieve the design you have in mind. I personally find Squarespace to have a good balance between flexibility and ease of use, offering plenty of customization options without being overly complicated for beginners. If you're looking to start a blog, then Squarespace is a great alternative to WordPress. It allows you to create and manage your blog content very easily without having to install a lot of plugins like you would have to do on WordPress. Squarespace has all the essential blogging features you need, like being able to optimize for search engines, organizing your content using tags and categories, creating a newsletter, and even being able to create a members-only area for exclusive content. You can even host your podcast on your Squarespace website. Squarespace currently doesn't offer a completely free plan, but they do have a 14-day free trial you can take advantage of to test out everything before committing to a paid plan. You'll find a link to that trial down below in the video description. Once the trial is over, you can choose between 4 different plans, starting with the personal plan at $16 per month if you pay annually, or $23 per month if you pay monthly. If you need e-commerce features, then you're gonna have to go with the business plan starting at $23 per month, allowing you to accept payments on your website with a 3% transaction fee. To reduce that transaction fee to 0%, you're gonna have to go with one of the commerce plans starting at $27 per month. So Squarespace is a great option if you're looking for an easy to use website builder without sacrificing too much flexibility when it comes to the customization of your website.